Welcome to PlayPianoToday.com. This is a quick overview of the piano lesson series titled Intros, Fillers, and Endings, Chapter 1. One of the most popular questions that I get asked by students is how to create song introductions. Or how do you create fillers between verses and choruses? Where do you get the material to come up with that? And then when you get to the end of the song, how do you wrap it up? How do you create an ending? This is a really great resource. Let's dig into intros, fillers, and endings. Chapter 1. Every great song has an interesting introduction, some filler between verses and choruses that keeps you interested, and then a good solid ending. But how do you come up with this material? Well, the first technique is the most obvious and simple one. You use material that already exists in the song. Typically for the introduction, musicians doing this technique will just simply play the first line through instrumentally before the vocal starts. And then between the verse and the chorus, do the same thing again. Might seem a little repetitive, but again, it's a simple way to start, just using material that already exists. Now for the end, musicians using this technique will do something called tagging the end. Remember, we're using material that already exists. To tag a song means to take the end of the song and play it again. A lot of times when musicians will tag an ending, they'll play it, and then they'll play it 2 more times for a total of 3. Don't know why. Psychologically, it just feels good. Feels like you're done 3 total times and you're out the door. Now, I'd like to show you this simple technique, but then we're going to move on to some more creative ideas for intros, fillers, and endings. But first, here's the example of the first technique, using material that already exists.